Yeah. So along with this form controls, also I told last session, this one control we need to take from the ActiveX controls. Basically, we use this for macro. But one thing I wanted to give you here. So what is this? Label. Okay. So this label I want to give it. Just I wanted to explain you. So this is very important for the Excel point of view. Okay, you can use this very I do use sometimes like this. Okay, very important. We'll see this before go to the other things. See, these are the charts, like I gave the list. I'll quickly will go through that also. But before that, so I wanted to give this also. Okay, this is basically label. We need to go for here for the macro purpose, but how we can do it in Excel. Okay. So this is go to the developer tab and go to insert, go to ActiveX controls. So take the label. Okay, then click and it will be like this. So when you click here, automatically not Excel form controls, it will not work just like that. See here, anytime like this is like shape, it is selected. We cannot use like this. Okay. Now for this, what we need to do, after inserting this, we need to go and see design mode will be activated, right? So we should come out from the design mode. Just to click this. So you see, we came out from the design mode. Then we go here. So you can type something on this. Okay, clear this. Now I can type anything on this. Okay, this is the first step we need to do. How to use it, I'll tell you. Okay, here like this you can type. What is the use of this? I'll tell you. Okay, so now suppose if you activate again, so go to design mode, click on this, and here we can change and resize whatever you do, you can do it. For these modifications, the shape modifications, okay, and a few setup is to be done. For this, we need to go activate design mode first, and disable the design mode. We can actually we can use this. Clear this till now, or you want me to show again?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Now, what is the use of this? The question now. So now suppose it's same thing you can type here. So unless you give this, you can Excel will not give the result. Suppose example. So Excel, right? Now I need to know the length of I need to extract the character. Okay, suppose left. Okay. Here left character, say E. Unless one character or two characters, unless you close the formula, you cannot use this. See, you can use this, but this to be in the cell, as only if you type here whatever the character, that should be displayed wherever you want. Okay, as you type here, I need to display here. Through that we do the formulas and do the whatever you want to. Good thing, especially filter thing, we need to do here example. See, I can say JIN I think spelling is correct. Now, one more example I can give you. Now, suppose I need to filter, okay, months. Example, I'll show you what this is the project, okay. Now I need to filter, suppose January. When you can January, you can see here, but you can not see here. Filter one, or suppose see JA. So whatever the letters start with the J or start with A, you can like in a contains here, we cannot filter here, but we can see here, but we cannot see here. But my purpose is, as I type here, the whatever the content I type here, as I type, this filter should get start. Okay. So for this, what is needed here, as I type, that text should be displayed here somewhere. How to do that? Suppose I type like suppose April. I type here. So when I type there, so this selling as I'm going to give here, as I type in the label, that this should be displayed here in the cell. Okay, here I'll show. Border. Suppose as I type here, I should get here like this. Suppose a P I type. So this also whatever type I should get here. Okay. As I type here, that should display in the specific cell what I link. Other cells we gave the link. No, same way, whichever the cell is linked to this, there the text should be displayed here, so that automatically I can get here. Okay. So this can get link automatically. This cell should be displayed here. Like what are the contents? We will see that later. First thing, as I type here, that should the link here. How to do this? So what we do again to activate to some setup, go to click outside, go to developer, activate the design. Then this I delete because we can confuse. This click here. Then we can see the properties here, or right click on this like this, so we can see the properties here or here, both are same. Click on the properties. When you get the properties, this see here like text box sheet is there. So text box setup, you need to do this. Click on the text box. Then when you go here slowly, we can see here linked cells, linked cell here. Okay, this cell, this linked cell. So here we can see here you cannot link like this. Okay, so again select, so linked cell. So linked cell, what is this? K7, right? So manually type K7. Please, this is very important. Manually cell address you need to type here. This is K7. So I type it K7, then enter. Okay, then close. Now see this, deactivate this, unselect, then go here, Excel. See here, as I type here, whatever you type here, this will come here. Okay. Now I kept this separately. Then we can click the decide mode. Wherever you want to keep here, like this also you can hide here. Okay. Time being, let we'll see here. Okay. This is the first step we need to do here. This is the purpose of label. That's all, nothing else. Then rest work is done in Excel only. See, suppose March. Whatever the character you type, it will come here. Okay. August, Gust. Okay. November. So BR. All whatever the BR, I need to get display here. Okay. So like this. Suppose I need to type UARY. What are the contents UARY should be displayed here. Okay. So for this, we need to use this control. Very complexity, but this is very useful for the reporting purpose. This is a bonus for you. It is changing before going to we are doing this. Okay, no problem. Okay, understood till now? What is the purpose of this? Hello?
Yeah, got it. Sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so what we do this. See, this link is over. Then automatically the Excel part. What is the Excel part? UARY. What is the UARY? So we need to get contains UARY. We need to get here. So what is the formula we can get when the cell content this? I need to display the name. Whether this contains or not, how can you make out? Which formula you can use?
Sure, look up with wildcard.
I need to know. See, UARY is there. So how do you find out UARY is there in the cell content or not? VLOOKUP is lookup. Now this is not VLOOKUP.
Is blank Anand? Like whether something is there or not?
No, I need to find this into this.
Exact.
No exact also. No, exact formula is different. Such will work. Correct. So whenever you see there, okay. So whenever the number is there, automatically it is there or it is not there, right? See, UARY. Suppose BR. Wherever the BR, we need to get numbers. This means this number, whether this content is there or not in this. Okay, we'll get here. Correct now. Suppose
good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Vicky.
Okay.
Now total.
Hey, Vicky.
Hi Kanta.
Okay. Total Vicky.
Net on ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, just now net on ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
I thought you weekend you were gone for the girlfriend. Gone with the girlfriend.
Sir, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
Vicky already married, I think. He got the girl.
Sorry?
Vicky already married or like date fixed?
Second one he is trying.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂತ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. No sir.
Just kidding.
No ಕಾಂತ, no.
Wiki is goodbye. Okay. Wiki, we started new the filtering, but we started with one more label we are getting from the activist control label. Okay, this
Okay.
label
Okay.
when you give here, as on when we type here, that free text will be printed in the linked cell like this. Okay, so suppose like say March, see here, so Kanta is not there. Okay, K also not there. Okay, D Danny, so D A no, like this. Okay, V also V is there. See here, V is there like this. So as I type, that content is there or not. This is the dynamic filter we can make use of it. Okay, so with that suppose like you
Yes,
need
sir.
name party name, you need to filter it. We don't know the entire name, maybe spelling mistake. So as a type, that content is there or not, we can make out. For that purpose, use this control. Okay, so we can again like
Okay, sir.
I'll send the video now so that we can go through it. Okay. Now, so lot of work is there. That's the reason. Now, see this is the first work. UARY. See UARY. Okay. So these two things are there. But here through search formula, we can get whether content is there or not. With the content is there, we get the number. Otherwise, we don't we don't see that content. This is the first thing. So for this, we use search, but find also you can use, but find what is the difference between the find and search? You tell me.
Sir, find is the like you need to find the number of the cell, or maybe the cell starting point, or you need out of a sentence you can find some word or something.
Mhm.
Inside find you can use search.
No, then any answer, Danny, Kanta? What is the difference between find and search?
Yes.
Find is used for numeric values, sir. Search for text.
No. See, if you forgot, Danny, please.
No,
Eh,
sir.
See,
Find adela sir. We using for to find in some number, and you can say if you find a certain in a sentence, if you want to find a certain word, it will tell you where the word it is, the count, the number, status. You can say
search will not tell.
search will also tell, sir. Search will also tell.
Then why the two
Search.
formulas?
Sir, I think case sensitive is something there, right?
It's a super, very good. Both the formulas same. Is a case sensitive. Sorry, is my spelling mistake. Okay, sensitive. It's a non-case. Non-case sensitive. So here, whatever the type. See, suppose UARY. UARY. So what the case, see here UARY is small, the capital type. But so find when you use find sorry find text is this, within text is this. See, it is not. Okay. Now suppose J A N U JANUARY. Here it will work. Okay, that is the difference with the find and search. That's why you always search, because in the content you may small letter, capital letter, we don't know. Okay, what are the search finding word, search word can be anything. So it is advisable search formula we need to do. So other 10 minutes you can join that. So always advisable for this filter case, always search formula, not find formula. Okay, don't use find formula. Or you can specifically capital case sensitive, then use find, not search. Whatever the case, it depends on your situation. Anyway, so this is the first thing we need to use this and get the number. Okay, first thing. Now, second step is, so when we have the number, so this list should be showing separately, not here. Okay, this see now as and when I type here January, UARY, all the list, only this January, February, I need to display here, not anything else, or the contents. So what we need to do here, if from the list, I don't want to see here, this should be copied here. For that, what we need to do here, so if formula use, if this is a number, okay, if this is a number, what we need to do, row formula you can get, otherwise blank. Here like this, row formula, otherwise no, row number, otherwise no. Suppose MBER. So here, see here, okay, row number you are getting. Snow. So I want months here, okay. Okay, this 3 months should be here. What I need to do here, so this all together you can get here. What are the number here displaying in this area? In this area, what are the number? You should come here. Okay. So which formula you can use to get the number consecutively together here? Which formula you can use? All the numbers should get here. Like 16, 19, sorry, 18, 19. Like this, I need to get here. So then suppose like, you know, I type March, CH. So I need to get only 10 here. Otherwise, I don't want here. So which formula we can use to get these numbers, list of numbers here? Tell, see, there's a, you know, this always like, you know, at this end I'll take, because you need to know all the formulas. Come on, tell me.
Sir, is it small formula?
Super, very good. Small with the combination? A dynamic? Small, then small 1, okay, 1, 2, 3. How can you make it is dynamic? Rows,
Rows.
okay, rows, whatever, but rows always preferable, because that itself you can give them the units inside the formula. Okay, so no, 1 second.
No, I queue it.
Only the
Starting you should freeze. Nella, sir.
only starting you need to freeze. Okay. Come on, man. Here like this, then you need to anyway this suppose MBER. See, as I type here, see the numbers here, MBER. See the number displaying, right? Good. Okay. Now, so whatever the numbers we get here, so this row number appearing, right? So which formula we can use based on row number? This should display here. Which formula can use? This is the row number. So with the related row content of from the column J, I need to get here.
Sir, index.
Very good. I am happy. So index. So this, so see, so much of work is there, na? With formula, one formula you can go here. Here. Now, this all like get rid of number. Again, you know this, okay? So get rid of error. Which formula?
If error.
Yeah, very good. If error. Now that's all. See now the magic. Your customer's big list is there. You can now he can hide only this. Okay. Here like go to the design. This can keep here or here. Okay. Whatever. Here. Okay. Then hide here. Now tell this deactivate. Tell the number what you want. Okay, Jan. Okay, so ARY. So Jan. Okay, ARY only 2. So MBR November. Okay, A content AC. Any A contains all the words. Will be so Y. Okay, like this. So very see here end with Y. Okay, wild card. Okay, so yeah. So end with I know yeah, it's not start with A. So start with no, why is not working? Start with A. No, this is not working here. Start with A, not working. But the content is there, but not start with. Okay, wild card, it's not work. Okay, so this is how it will work. Maybe start with, no, it will not work anyway. So end with E, sorry, content E. Okay, like this. So beautifully you can see the search based on this. Okay, as of suppose you don't have anything, entire thing will go. Suppose you, this all the start with content consist you. Okay, like this. This is like very important. Another 1 minute will join back. So clear this. Any questions in this? This is, please make use of it. You have for the dynamic search option, you can use it. As you type, you get the list of words, a list of names. You can easily find the maybe customer name or names or any word. Okay, is it useful?
Sure.
Good. So we'll join back another 1 minute. Also take it just a 5 minutes break. So under 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, I'll log in back. So okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sure.
sir.
Just give me 5 minutes break. Okay.